ECS tools drills are a must-have for professional locksmiths and security technicians who need reliable, high-performance tools for precision work. Whether you're drilling out locks, safes, or hardened cylinders, ECS tools are engineered for durability and accuracy in the toughest situations. When you buy from Locksmith Keyless, you're not only getting top-tier tools, you're also getting expert support, fast shipping, and the confidence of purchasing from a trusted supplier in the locksmith industry. We understand the demands of your work, which is why we offer only proven professional grade solutions like ECS tools to help you get the job done right. Shop ECS tools available here at Locksmith Keyless. Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at locksmithkeyless.com, and make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.